Hello crafty friends, in this video I'm going to make this week's Craft Roulette card using 4 new parameters that were selected on Friday's live show. How far will I stretch them this week? Let's find out. Alright, so I started with my colors. Because the colors was the parameter that was I think the trickiest for me because I am not in sleigh ride mode at all. I'm currently in the week-long almost heat wave of 100 degrees, so I'm not really thinking sleigh ride. So I googled it and I came up with this picture that I decided that I'm going to follow the colors ish, as close as I can get. So I went with this paper pad that I have. Now I store them, I pull them all out, and there's actually more than one. I think I had 2 mega pads because when they go on sale, I want to say they're $4. So that's when I get them from Echo Park. So I got the mega, and I think I got 2 of them. So I pulled some papers, and I already did some cutting. So to go along with the colors theme, I saw a plaid. So I did this plaid. So I cut this out using my nesting dies. I'm going to ink the edges. But I made a little frame. I realized that I don't have stitching edges for my nesting dies. So I need to get that. Because I would have liked there to be stitching on the edge. But then I'm going to put that on a white. I'm going to put the white in here. And I'm going to put my image in there, which I'll get to in a minute. Then I'm going to just layer it on some red. And then some of this green. And the safe paper. See how it had the hole up here? I knew I was only going to do a tiny bit. So I just did it there. Alright, like this, like this. And then here is my base. And that is the card colors. And these are my scraps that I'm going to leave with this paper pad. I'm going to file it away. This is also a scrap because for pen, I cut out some fences because animals are in pens. Am I stretching? I don't think so. And then for my farm animal, right? Wasn't that the parameter, or was it on the farm? I haven't had internet in a couple days, so I'm running a little different than usual. Oh, farm critter. So this is my farm critter, this silly cow stamp that I already stamped and fussy cut out. I'm going to color him with some simple colorings that, don't go beyond the sleigh coloring, but he's a cow. I'm not going to make him like a purple cow today. I'm going to color him regular cow colors. I think I'm going to use alcohol markers. I thought about colored pencils, but I'm going to use alcohol markers. And then I'm going to put these on my card because he's going to be in a pen. So there's my parameters. All right. Now he's going to sit here. And I'm trying to decide what I want to do with the white background. Do I want to leave it white? Oh, I'm going to put a sentiment here. It's a really cute one from another farm set that I have, which is right here. From my barn to yours. And then on the inside, it will say happy birthday. That'll fit right down here. So he's going to kind of sit on that. Let's see. Let's see if it fits. Yeah. There we go. Like that. So I think I'm just going to give him a background to sit on. Maybe a little shadow. Maybe a little blue. But I'm going to color him first to see what I want to do. And then these are going to go on. So, all right. let me color him, and we'll go from there. Okay, now that that's all colored, I'm going to ink my edges in black. It's so interesting how even a simple coloring that I just did could take a little while. I take a long time. I don't like the way my markers are stored. They're in the case that the Hoo-Hoos have available, and I like them, but I don't have them. I have them like like colors next to each other, and then I end up not using them. I think I need to put them numerically, which I have the whole 320 set that I bought myself a couple Christmases ago, and that's a lot of markers to take all out and put them numerically. But I think I need to do it because it takes me too long to find them. So this is going to go in my stash so that next time a dude, one of my dude friends, because it's a card for a dude, like my brother or something, I'll have a card already. Or friend. That's a dude. I figured these colors are masculine. Does anyone else get ink all over their fingers when they do this? Or is it just me? And then I end up smudging like that white card that I want to use under here. Oh, crafter problems. well, clumsy crafter problems, which that is what I am. Okay. Oh, you know what? I wanted to give a little color to these. Okay. White card. And then my ridiculous cow. I think I'm just gonna do green. Will throw off my colors. Blue does too. Maybe a little gray. Let me take a look at that color palette again. Well, let's see. There's a blue sweater. And there's green in the sled, which is kind of like this color. So, what to do? There's green in the trees, but I don't want to throw off the color scheme in this, even though there are more colors in the picture. Let's see. Let me glue these down. I actually like this side better than that side. Yeah, okay. Let's put more glue on this. Line it up. Okay. Now I feel more confident bringing in a green, maybe, to have him sitting on it, right? What color green is that? I like rustic wilderness, actually. I'm gonna do a post-it. Okay, I like that. Now let's get this on straight. That's funny. Okay, I have a way to get this on straight. Well, do I? Let's just see. Right? Put a little bit of that. Right? Then we're gonna assemble this part. Right? Card placed. Oop. Okay. Right. So if he's here, I'm gonna put that here. Okay, I'm gonna do it intense black. Okay, that looks good. Now for some final touches, add a pen. So this is gonna go here, and I'm gonna attach them. Okay, let's see. He's gonna go here. I'm gonna put this there. Right. I want that horizon to go right in between. Okay. Press. Dry for a minute because it has to really stick good. And while that's drying, I think I'm gonna pop him up some foam squares. I don't know where these foam squares are from. That's great. Don't ask me. I don't know. I have a lot of different ones because sometimes to get free shipping, I need to add a little something. A lot of times I'll add foam squares or something like that. So I have a lot of different kinds. And then some thin ones that I've already cut. Oops. For his tail. All right, let's take the backers off. Okay, let's finish the card with the cute little cow. There we go. That came out cute. All right, parameter check. Card for a dude. Well, that's some masculine colors, and I thought it'd be cute because it could be from my whole family to a male friend or a dude friend. Then the colors are sleigh ride, so I googled an image and I followed those colors. And then it is a farm critter, it's a cow, and a pen, so he's in his pen. So there's his fence. All right, do you think I stretched him? I don't. Thanks so much for watching. Have a crafty day.